Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! How's the weather? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Weather. Outside. Rain. Today. Conversation.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was rainy.
Did you play outside yesterday?
No, I didn't. I don't like rain.
Will you play outside today?
Yes, I will. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was rainy.
Did you play outside yesterday?
No, I didn't. I don't like rain.
Will you play outside today?
Yes, I will. Word quiz. Weather. Today. Outside. Rain. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say?
How's the weather? Did you play outside yesterday?
It's sunny. What did Max say?
How was the weather yesterday?
It's sunny. It was rainy. What did Lily say?
Will you play outside today? Did you play outside yesterday?
Yes, I will. You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.